Yo, what is up everybody? It's your man Larry here. We're diving headfirst into the ultimate escape log cabin getaways. We're talking cozy fires, stunning views, and the kind of peace and quiet you just can't find in the city. We're going on a virtual road trip across the USA to uncover the top 10 log cabin destinations that'll make you want to pack your bags and disappear into the wilderness. Get ready to explore hidden gems and iconic spots, all from the comfort of your screen. Let's do this. First up, we're heading south to the Blue Ridge Mountains of Georgia. Imagine waking up to the crisp mountain air, stepping onto your porch, and being greeted by a breathtaking view of rolling hills painted in 1,000 shades of green. This place is a hiker's paradise, with trails winding through lush forests and leading to cascading waterfalls. Spend your days exploring hidden trails or just wandering through the woods, breathing in the fresh air, and after a long day of adventures, picture yourself casting a line into a crystal-clear river, the only sound the gentle rush of water and the chirping of birds. The Blue Ridge Mountains are also home to charming towns and award-winning wineries. Spend an afternoon sipping on locally made wines, savoring farm-to-table cuisine, and soaking up the small-town vibes. Next, we're heading north to Lake Placid, New York, where Olympic history meets cozy cabin charm. Nestled in the Adirondack Mountains, it's a storybook village. Hit the slopes at Whiteface Mountain, where Olympians have made history, or skate on the iconic Olympic Oval. Cozy up by the fireplace, sip hot chocolate, and enjoy the falling snow. Lake Placid is a place where adventure and relaxation meet. Get ready to hear the sweet sounds of bluegrass music because we're going deep into the heart of Tennessee, to the Great Smoky Mountains. This place is a celebration of nature, music, and southern hospitality, all wrapped up in a cozy cabin package. No trip to the Smokies is complete without exploring the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. We're talking about over 800 miles of hiking trails winding through ancient forests, leading to cascading waterfalls and breathtaking vistas. And for a truly unique experience, saddle up for a horseback ride through the Smokies. And let's not forget about Dollywood. This iconic theme park is just a stone's throw away, offering thrilling rides, heartwarming shows, and a taste of that famous Dolly Parton charm. Let's be real, who hasn't dreamt of escaping to a California cabin, surrounded by towering pines and a lake reflecting the sky? Well, Big Bear Lake is here to make that dream a reality. Picture this. You're out on the lake, the sun warm on your face, the gentle breeze carrying the scent of pine. Whether you're an experienced paddler or just want to soak up the sun from a rented pontoon, Big Bear Lake has something for everyone. And when the snow falls, Big Bear transforms into a winter wonderland. Hit the slopes at Snow Valley or Bear Mountain, two of Southern California's most popular ski resorts. After a day of adventure, there's nothing better than returning to your cozy cabin, fireplace roaring, the smell of hot chocolate filling the air. Next stop, we're heading to Jackson Hole, Wyoming, where the spirit of the Wild West meets modern luxury. This town, nestled in the shadow of the Grand Teton Mountains, is a haven for adventurers and luxury seekers alike. Jackson Hole is legendary for its world-class skiing. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-timer, Jackson Hole will push you to your limits and leave you wanting more. This place is teeming with wildlife, making it a safari destination unlike any other. Imagine yourself on a wildlife tour, coming face to face with majestic elk, bison grazing in open fields, and maybe even a glimpse of a soaring bald eagle. And after a day of adventures, soothe your sore muscles in one of Jackson Hole's natural hot springs. Jackson Hole is a place where you can experience the rugged beauty of the Wild West while indulging in modern comforts. We're heading back to New York, but this time, we're venturing deep into the heart of the Adirondack Mountains. This place is a sprawling wilderness of dense forests, shimmering lakes, and towering peaks, just begging to be explored. The Adirondacks are a paddler's paradise, with over 3,000 lakes and ponds connected by winding rivers. Rent a kayak or a canoe and spend your days exploring hidden coves, discovering secluded waterfalls, and soaking up the serenity of this pristine wilderness. This place is a mountain biker's dream come true, with hundreds of miles of trails winding through forests, over mountains, and along scenic rivers. And for a truly unique experience, head to the Wild Center, an interactive natural history museum that will immerse you in the wonders of the Adirondacks. Get ready for a scenic road trip because we're heading to the White Mountains of New Hampshire. This place is a picture-perfect postcard come to life, with charming towns, winding roads, and mountain vistas that will take your breath away. Imagine yourself cruising along the Kancamagus Highway, also known as the Kank. This scenic byway winds its way through the heart of the White Mountains, offering breathtaking views of forested valleys, cascading waterfalls, and towering peaks. Lace up your hiking boots and hit the trails. This region is home to some of the most challenging and rewarding hikes in the Northeast, and for a truly unique experience, take a ride on the Mount Washington Cog Railway. The White Mountains are a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle, reconnect with nature, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Next stop, we're heading to the Shenandoah Valley of Virginia, a place where history, nature, and good times collide. This valley, nestled between the Blue Ridge Mountains and the Allegheny Mountains, is a tapestry of rolling farmland, historic towns, and stunning natural beauty. Imagine yourself exploring the Luray Caverns, a subterranean wonderland of towering stalactites, shimmering pools, and otherworldly formations. This region is also home to a thriving wine scene. Spend an afternoon hopping between wineries, sampling award-winning wines, and soaking up the stunning vineyard views. The Shenandoah Valley is a place where you can step back in time, indulge your senses, and connect with nature. Get ready for some Pacific Northwest magic because we're heading to the Cascade Mountains of Washington State. This place is an outdoor enthusiast's paradise with towering peaks, pristine lakes, and lush forests teeming with wildlife. The Cascades are for adventurers, for those who crave the challenge of conquering a mountain, the thrill of navigating a whitewater rapid, the satisfaction of reaching a summit. Rock climbing in the Cascades is not for the inexperienced, but for those who dare, the rewards are breathtaking. And if you prefer your adventures a little wetter, grab a fishing rod and head to one of the many rivers and streams that snake through the Cascades. Cast your line and try your luck at catching salmon as they make their way upstream. Take a scenic drive through the North Cascades National Park, a land of jagged peaks, turquoise lakes, and ancient forests. We're heading to the Ozark Mountains of Arkansas, where time seems to slow down and everyday stresses melt away. This region, often called the Heart of America, is a place of rolling hills and sparkling lakes. Imagine cruising down the Buffalo National River, the first designated national river in the United States. Rent a boat, explore hidden coves, and cast a line for bass and catfish. Soak up the serenity of this pristine waterway. So there you have it, folks. 10 incredible log cabin getaways across the USA that are just begging to be explored. From the rugged peaks of the Rockies to the serene lakes of the Adirondacks, there's a cabin escape out there for every taste and every budget. Don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to the channel for more travel inspiration. Let me know in the comments which log cabin getaway you're most excited to visit. And remember, adventure is out there waiting for you.